Kanye drew this. Kanye, Axel Vavorit, and Claudio Silvestrin kind of all did this sink. And 8 versions of this prototype sink was made. And it does actually like slightly slope down that you can kind of see. And there's a slit for the water. And it goes in. You can put it on as high pressure as you want and no backsplash will come up.
Okay, so this is what the form looks like. Okay, of course we're gonna remove this until we put the first layer of concrete. And then for the wall, we're gonna put this. Okay, so here I have this for the opening for the faucet, and this is for the drain. Okay, good luck to me. Okay, so I'm using Quickrete countertop in white. Okay. Okay, the cement is white, but the aggregate is not. Or I don't know. Anyway, let's see. I'm gonna add white pigment to make it very white. Okay, I have my sander and my hammer already hooked and everything, and I have the polisher on the floor also, and that's to vibrate the concrete when we pour it in. Yay! Let's do it. مراقبتي أرى هنا هتخلى كنت
غادي And here I'm making sure that the bottom of the sink is nice, smooth, and even. I will be using a linear sink drain at the bottom, and it has to stick evenly. I will be using a construction adhesive to do so later on. And yeah, next step is to cover the concrete and let it cure for 24 hours. Then I'm gonna remove the inside form and then leave it to cure another 24 to 48 hours, then remove the rest of the form and fix any holes.
Okay, so here's how it looks like. As you can see, there's a lot of holes that need to be filled on both sides. Also, there's a lot of holes in here. Now this edge is what I'm worried about. It's messed up, and I hope I can fix it. I wanted it round and nice, like this. This side is good. There's only this piece, and that's fixable. But here, as you can see, hope you can see it better this way. Okay, we'll see.
Now it's time to fill those holes, so I'm separating the cement from the aggregate to make a slurry coat. I started by wetting the sink, then I mixed the slurry coat with some white pigment, and I made it into a pancake consistency, and I started working it inside the holes. I waited 4 hours, and then I sanded lightly with a 220 and a 420, and then I repeated one more time, and then the next day I repeated that twice. Every time I sand, there are new holes that appear, so I fill them. I wait another 4 hours for the slurry to dry, and then I come back and I sand it, and you just keep repeating until you don't see any more holes. Alright, so here I'm installing the drain. I just used the heavy duty construction adhesive, and I put some weights on the drain and let it cure for 24 hours. And here the sink is all ready. 2 steps before installation is to seal it and wax it. And here you see I'm sealing it and using a yellow rag. That's a big mistake, just because the concrete is white and that rag left yellow spots all over. So I had to resand the whole thing and then reseal using a white rag, and I did seal it 3 times. So I would seal it, let it dry, and then do it again, then do it again, and then I waxed it. I didn't get the wax on camera, but I did put 2 coats of wax before I installed the sink in the bathroom.
Alright you guys, here's the finished product as I showed you in the beginning of the video. Here's the part where I messed up, and it doesn't look that bad actually. I love it. I love the sink with all the imperfections in it, all the colors, the color changes. Some parts are lighter than others, and in real life it looks just beautiful. It looks organic. It's just amazing how it came out. I kid you not. And for a first time, this is really good. I'm so proud of it. So another thing, because it's a floating sink, usually people buy the chrome pipe just because it looks nicer than the black ones, but it was gonna cost me around 50 bucks. So instead I just got a silver paint that I had outside, and I painted the black pipe, and it looks nice. It looks like chrome. It doesn't bother me, and it looks really nice. I mean, in real life it looks really nice and shiny, and it looks like I put up the chrome one. And that cost me nothing, because again I had the paint in the garage. So yeah, great. So I just go like this. I'm washing my hands. The light is blue when it's cold, and then it turns green when it's warm, and then when it turns a little hot it becomes red, and then it flashes red and makes a noise when it's too hot to let you know that you need to remove your hand. Okay, and look at the water. It goes all deep. When I stop, move my hand, everything goes inside that slit. The slit, I made it 2 inches long and half an inch wide. Okay, so that's it. I mean, it looks like one slab, but there is a slight slope from all sides, and that's what allows the water to go into this hole instead of going out. And yeah, I just love it. Please let me know if you want me to figure anything out that you want to make, and I'll try to figure it out for you. Not that I'm an expert or anything, but I like a challenge. This is the first time I work with concrete, and I think I did an amazing job.